Graduation Cap 1. Top 5 free AI tools every student must use in 2025. Hook. Tired of spending hours on assignments and still missing deadlines? What if I told you 5 free AI tools can literally do the heavy lifting for you? Problem. Students today are overloaded with homework, tight schedules, and zero motivation. Traditional study methods just can't keep up. Solution. These 5 free AI tools will boost your productivity, improve your writing, and help you study smarter, not harder. Examples. ChatGPT, for brainstorming, summarizing, and Q and Notion AI, for organizing notes and generating content Grammarly, to polish your writing Coolbot, for paraphrasing essays Perplexity AI, to research with citations CTA. If you found these helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more student hacks, and comment your favorite tool below.